y'all, I'm Kadijah Nicole and welcome to my channel. I'm coming at y'all today with, some fall orange type vibes here. This is a cinnamon color, but let me let y'all know the details and everything on this hair. Just right now, I've, just got in these little twists for how I wear it to bed. I just spray it with some water every night and then put some of this leave-in in, which is the Curls to Go Jane Carter Solutions Miss Me Over Curl Hydrator. And this just like moisturizes it really good, easy to detangle through. And yeah, I just do that and do these little twists on the side. But anyways, this hair is from Cranberry Hair. It is their Brazilian Deep Wave hair in the lengths 22, 24, 24 with a 18-inch frontal. The length is a little bit shorter though because I cut it to like, I don't know, make it look more full because sometimes the ends can look a little thinned out. But yeah, I had 3 bundles in a frontal and I made this into a wig myself. And I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looked like before I colored it and also the coloring process and the products that I use and all of that. So let me get that going for y'all. So in order to lighten the hair, of course, I'm going to have to use some bleach, and I'm using Clairol Professional's Collada Colors Clear Ice Clay Base Tonal Powder Lightener. And then I'm going to be mixing in some 40 volume developer. And as you guys can see here, the curls on this hair were beautiful. They kind of loosened up, but before I bleached it, as y'all can see, this hair was beautiful. I mean, it was still beautiful after, but like them curls really popping right there. But anyways, I'm going to be sectioning the hair off so that I can, get ready to apply the bleach. So here I have the bleach and the developer mixed together, and I'm just going to begin applying it to all of the hair. And make sure you have really good gloves when you use bleach, because these ate through these, and y'all, like I told y'all, I got like a chemical burn. So yeah, make sure you got good gloves when you're bleaching some hair. But anyways, I'm applying this all over the hair. There's really no technique to it. You just scoop some up, work it in, try to make sure you get it on every piece. And then I like to go in with a brush and make sure, every strand is getting coated with the bleach. And once I completed this process for all of the hair, of course, I let it sit for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour. Let it sit for a little bit, and then, I rinsed it out, and these were the results that I got. So now we're ready to go in with our orange colors. So here I have 2 cinnamon, a Cajun spice, and a ginger, but I'm not going to use the Cajun spice. So first I'm going to go in with the ginger color, and I kind of wanted to give a little bit of dimension to it. So I used this to kind of highlight through the hair. So I just went in and put a little bit on different strands, and then I followed up with the cinnamon just all over the hair. I used both bottles of the cinnamon. At this point, I had already went in and did the ginger little highlight pieces, and now I'm getting ready to section off the hair to completely color it in cinnamon. I actually ended up letting the color sit in the hair overnight because I was lazy to wash it out. Well, really it was late when I did it, so I just left it in the hair overnight. Then I rinsed it out the next day. And what y'all see now is the results that I got. All right, so now that y'all seen how I got this color, I'm just getting ready to go ahead and take my hair down for today. And I feel like this just helps keep the curls very nicely. I didn't twist it too tight. I just did it very loose. And look at that, they're flawless. They did loosen up a little bit from bleaching it, but like they still look really good. Beautiful bomb curly hair. Getting this color was a process. I went through a whole little chemical burn. I got like some of the bleach up under my nail, y'all. That shit hurt so bad. But I finally got it to this really pretty color. I think it looks so pretty. I feel like I look like that little cartoon girl. I keep forgetting her name. Oh, it's from Brave. That's what this hair gives me. Braid vibes, scissor vibes, you know. But yeah, I think it came out really good. I don't really like dye hair very often, but I want to do a little bit more, you know, try to spice it up, change up my look, you know, try some different wig colors, because you already know your girl ain't really gonna be dyeing my hair, you know. And Shane already done told y'all. I think I did pretty good with, you know, securing it and everything too. Looking pretty good. I did a wig kind of this color before, but it was like brighter and it was in more of a kinky curly texture type of hair. But you know, I had to try it again and it looks really cute with the curly hair. Let me know in the comments how you guys think I did. I think it turned out pretty good. And shout out to Cranberry Hair for sending me this hair to make this video to share with you guys. They got some bomb hair, as you guys can see. But anyways, make sure you check out the description box below as well for all of the links to this hair, all of the details, and everything else that you would want to know pertaining to this hair and this bomb company. So I'm gonna stand up and try to give y'all a full look of the hair. It's like I told y'all, I did cut the ends a little bit because I don't know, it was like a little scraggly, but like it didn't look bad, but I just like it to look real full. So I did cut it a little bit, but still looks really good. Get into that color. Yes, hunty. But anyways, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.